Oh boy. Highway warning for my area.
An important message. For the following counties in Michigan, Maine, Genesee, Huron.
Oh no, it's for Genesee.
Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Sanilac, Shiawassee, St. Clair, Tuscola, Washington, and Wayne. High wind warning in effect from 3 a.m. tonight to 4 p.m. Sunday. West, southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts near 60 miles per hour expected. Where? All of southeast Michigan. When? From 3 a.m. tonight to 4 p.m. Sunday.
Highway warning for my area.
Wind damage is expected to result in numerous power outages. Travel will be hazardous, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: southwest wind increases after midnight with a few gusts around 50 miles per hour possible after 3 a.m. These gusts will be sporadic during the night in a mild air leading up to sunrise. The time period of most concern is early to mid-Sunday morning when a powerful cold front sweeps through the region. The front moves through the Tri-Cities area around 7 a.m. and then moves through the rest of southeast Michigan, including Metro Detroit, by 10 a.m. Peak wind gusts from the west around 60 miles per hour are then likely into Sunday afternoon. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid
Highway
windows.
warning.
Use caution if you must drive.